Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find stored bookmarks in Chrome on Windows. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your file browser on your computer. This is where you'll navigate through your system files to locate where Chrome stores all your bookmark data locally on your hard drive. Once your file browser is open, click on This PC. This option gives you access to all the drives and main folders on your computer, which is essential for finding the specific Chrome directory we're looking for. Next, click on a hard drive where your Windows operating system is installed. For this example, we're going to click on Local Disk C, which is the most common location for system files and user data on Windows computers. After that, click on the Users folder. This folder contains all the user profiles on your computer, and each profile has its own set of application data and settings stored separately. Now, click on the folder that represents your desktop account. This might be labeled as User, or it could have your actual account name. This is where all your personal files and application data are stored for your specific Windows user profile. Then, click on the App Data folder. This is a hidden folder by default that contains application settings and data for programs installed on your computer. If you don't see it, you may need to enable viewing hidden files in your file browser settings. Once inside App Data, click on Local. This subfolder stores data that's specific to your computer and doesn't sync across devices, which is exactly where Chrome keeps its local bookmark files. From there, click on the Google folder. This contains all the data related to Google applications installed on your system, including Chrome and any other Google services you might be using. Next, click on the Chrome folder. This is the main directory where Chrome stores all its user data, including bookmarks, history, extensions, and various settings for each profile you've created. Then, click on User Data. This folder contains separate profiles for each Chrome user account you have set up, allowing multiple people to use Chrome with their own personalized settings and bookmarks. Now, if you only have one Google account linked to Chrome, simply click on the folder labeled Default. However, for this example, let's click on Profile 3 to show you how to access bookmarks from a specific profile if you have multiple accounts. Inside this profile folder, find the files named Bookmarks and bookmarks.bat. These two files are where Chrome stores all your saved bookmarks. The bookmarks file is your current bookmark data, while bookmarks.back serves as a backup copy in case the main file gets corrupted. You can click on either of these files and open them with Notepad to view the contents. When you do this, you'll see all your bookmark data displayed in a readable format, though it will be in JSON structure with URLs, titles, and folder organization. And that's it! You've successfully located where Chrome stores your bookmarks on your Windows computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.